Welcome back. You're still tuned into Trading Hour. We have some more corporates lined up for you. Dredging Corp is the one which is in focus now. The company posted an operationally strong quarter. So the standalone revenue this quarter has gone up nearly 60% and the margin has also expanded. It's currently at around 26%. Rama Mohana Rao, who's chairman of Dredging Corporation of India, joins us on the show now to discuss the earnings and the outlook going forward. Mr. Rao, good morning and thank you for joining us. This is Pavitra. First off, I want to begin by asking you what the current order book stands at, if you could take us through that figure, and what part of this could we see getting executed in the second half?
Yes, good morning, Pavitra. Our order book for this year, 21-22, is around 1,000 crore. And for 23-24, we are expecting around 1,100 crore. And we could do for the last, I think, 10 years, the second quarter, we achieved around 28 crores of profit because of most of our dredgers were operational at full capacity and timely completion of the projects. And mostly in dredging, the dry docking thing, when we put a vessel for dry docking, if you get within the time limit, we can save time and earn more revenue. So we could manage our dry docking also well. So all these more number of days we could get and we could earn more revenue and a lot of confidence in the workforce also. That all contributed for a good Q2. And we hope in future also we'll be doing very well.
Okay. Mr. Rao, good morning. We'll talk a little more about the business, but I just wanted to get this out of the way. In the month of July, your CEO, Mr. Victor, was suspended and there were some proceedings against him as well, the disciplinary proceedings. Just wanted a clarification. What is the status? Are you expecting any fraud at all? And will there be any financial impact because of this on the business?
No, there is no financial impact as such. There is no fraud as such. It was only because at the time of his recruitment, some kind of, say, his about qualifications and his experience, they were supposed to be properly screened. I think some kind of over took place. So because of that, some complaints came and we got it inquiry done. Prima facie, it's been found there is some lacuna in his particular qualifications and experience. So now it is under inquiry. I think within a month's time we may get, but it has, as you've seen, for the last 3-4 months time, even the stock price also has gone up by around 40%. It means it has a positive impact only, and we are doing very well.
So there has been no evidence or allegation of irregularities associated with the prior CEO, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
There are no irregularities as a financial irregularities as such. Okay. It is only as far as his recruitment process is concerned.
Got it.
There are a little bit of some kind of discrepancies about his experience and about the company he worked, and he was supposed to work in a company where 500 crore turnover and it should have been listed in a stock exchange. And there were some complaints, and now it is under investigation, inquiry.
Okay, so perhaps just some lapses in the recruitment process that the company followed. Could you give us an indication of what the current order book is? What's the number on that and the order pipeline? Yeah.
See, mainly for the Dredging Corporation, it are the major ports. The major ports, we have 12 major ports. Generally, we get on nomination basis. If you work properly and if you work efficiently, we get all the works on nomination basis. So we have order book position of near about, for this year, near about 1,020 crore we have. And for next year, we have 1,100 crore. And also we are getting diversified, like in ports. In addition to the ports, we have inland waterways. Inland waterways also planning to give us work of 1,000 crore for the next 3 to 4 years time. So whatever for inland water, we need small dredges. That also either we may acquire or we may take on hire. So we are going for inland waterways, and other areas are reservoirs and dams, especially in Kerala, Rajasthan and Maharashtra. There are inquiries from the governments regarding dredging of reservoirs and dams. So we might diversify into reservoir dams and inland water, which is an assured business for us for the next 3 to 4 years, 1,000 crore. So by 2030, we are planning to go for near about 1,700 to 2,000 crore revenues. And we are going to acquire a new dredger with 12,000 cubic meter capacity at a cost of 800 crore, because DCI is promoted by 4 major ports: Visakhapatnam, JNPT, Kandla, and Paradip. So these 4 ports contributed near about 230 crore, and 150 crores Cochin shipyard debentures, and 49 million we have paid near about 80 crore, because ISC is constructing this particular supplying the particular parts for this, and CSL is constructing this particular dredger. So future seems to be quite bright.
All right, sir. Thank you very much for that. We're going to leave it on that note. So inland waterways will also make up a large chunk of your revenues, like you said, going forward for at least the next 3 to 4 years.